Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn 8th standard English subject. So let's get started. Poem number 1.1, A Time to Believe. In this video we are going to see English workshop. So let's move to question and answers. Now see student, question number 1. Rearrange the letters to make meaningful words occurring in the poem. The first one is miracles, second is wisdom, third is courage, fourth is surprises, fifth is beauty, sixth is dreams, and the seventh is value, and the last is wonder. So student, here we have completed our question number 1a. Let's move to question number 1b. Write words from the poem that describe the following. Now see: sky, stardust sky, heart, nurturing heart, hand, hugging hand, beginning, new beginning, surprises, wonderful surprises. Now student, here we have completed our question number 1b. Let's move to question number 2. Say why. Now see first one. The sky has a magical quality. Now see the answer. The sky has a magical quality because it has crumbling clouds, twinkling star, and a beautiful moon. Now next, even an hugging hand has beauty. Now see the answer. Even an hugging hand has beauty because it can teach us how to love. Now next, we should believe that we are strong and courageous. Now see the answer. We should believe that we are strong and courageous so that we can recover after we have gone through difficulties and shocks and return to our normal lives again. Now student, here we have completed our question number 2. Let's move to question number 3. Make a list of any 6 things that the poet wants us to accept as true. Now see first, that we have the strength and courage to get back to normal after a setback. Now next, that we are never alone. Next, that life is a gift we must cherish. Now next, that there are wonderful surprises in store for us. Next, that all our hopes and dreams are within reach. And the last stage, that great things will happen if we have belief in life and in ourselves. Student, we have completed our question number 3. Let's move to question number 4. Find from the poem positive qualities to fill up the web. Now student, here you have to find 5 positive qualities. Now see the answer. Strength, courage, to believe, to cheers, to pick up the pieces. So student, here we have completed our question number 4. Now let's move to next question, that is question number 5. Read the lines below. Now see, to believe is to see angels dancing among the clouds. The above line contains a human characteristic dancing. Given to something non-human angels, the figure of speech used in the line is called personification. Now next, to believe is to know that every day is a new beginning. Next, to believe is to know life is a gift. Lines in poetry such as the above state a general truth and can be used as saying or quotes, etc. They contain the figure of speech called epigram. Epigram closely resembles a probe. Now here a question is given. Find from the poem 3 other examples of epigram. Now see first one. To believe is to know that every day is a new beginning. Next, to believe is to know the value of a nurturing heart. And the last one is, to believe is to know we are never alone, that life is a gift. So student, here we have completed this poem question and answers. See you in my next video. Till then, please like, subscribe, share, hit the bell icon, and also don't forget to comment. Thank you for watching my video.